Now let's access the option chain data using Nubra API. Open the Nubra API documentation, navigate to the Python SDK section, go to market data, open the option chain section. This endpoint provides the complete option chain for any supported instrument. It includes data such as open interest, option Greeks, trading volume, top bid and ask levels, and strike prices for all available contracts of an underlying symbol. Now copy the usage example code. Paste the code into your editor. Next, return to the documentation page. Scroll to the accessing data section. This part shows how the response values can be extracted programmatically. Scroll further to the request parameters section. Here you can view the configurable inputs that can be passed to the function. Scrolling down, we can also see the response structure. This gives a clear overview of all the fields returned by the endpoint. Now copy the accessing data example. Paste it below the usage code so we can print the values in the terminal. Next, enable environment credentials. And now run the script. The response is now displayed in the terminal. This data represents a snapshot captured at the moment of execution, not a live WebSocket stream. We can see values such as option Greeks, volume, last traded price, open interest, strike price, and reference ID. We can also view the current underlying price and the list of available expiries. This is how you retrieve option chain data using Nubra APIs. Thank you.